Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to assign users to a board in Monday.com. Whether you're collaborating with your team or bringing in new members to a project, understanding how to properly assign users ensures everyone has the right access and permissions they need to contribute effectively. First, navigate to the specific board where you want to add users. Once you're on the board, look toward the top right corner of your screen and locate the Invite button. This button is represented by a people icon and serves as your gateway to managing who can access and collaborate on this particular board. Click on the Invite button to open the invitation window. Here, you'll see a search bar at the top. If you're adding someone who's already part of your Monday.com workspace, simply type their name or email address into this search bar. As you type, a drop-down menu will appear showing matching results from your existing workspace members. Select the user you want to add from the drop-down results. They'll now be added to the board with standard member access. However, if you need to give them additional permissions, there's an optional step you can take. Look for the gray crown icon that appears next to their name. By clicking this crown icon, it will turn blue, which designates that user as a board owner. Board owners have elevated permissions and can manage the board settings and other members. Once you've finished adding users and setting their permissions, you can simply close the invite window. The users you've added will now have immediate access to the board and can start viewing and editing content based on their permission level. Now, if you need to invite someone who isn't yet part of your Monday.com workspace, the process is slightly different, but just as straightforward. Open the invite window again using the same people icon button. In the search bar, type the email address of the person you want to invite. Since they're not in your workspace yet, you won't see them in the drop-down results. Instead, look for the option that says Invite a new member by email and click on it. This action sends an invitation email directly to that person's inbox. Once they receive the email and accept the invitation, they'll automatically be added to both your workspace and the specific board you invited them from. This seamless process makes onboarding new team members quick and efficient. After you've added users, it's good practice to verify that everyone has been assigned correctly. To do this, reopen the invite window by clicking the people icon again. You'll see a complete list of all current board members along with their permission levels. This list gives you a quick overview of who has access and what role they hold. If you ever need to remove someone from the board, simply locate their name in this list and click the X icon next to it. Keep in mind that if you're trying to remove a board owner, you'll first need to assign another user as an owner before you can complete the removal. This safeguard ensures that every board always has at least one owner managing it, and that's how you assign users to a board in Monday.com. You now have full control over your board's membership and can easily manage who collaborates on your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.